A day at the spa leaves your skin feeling refreshed, renewed, and revitalized. Don't you wish you could bring the spa experience home? Now you can, with the Essentials collection from Dr. Schwab's Spa Formulas, the spa secret for younger-looking skin in just 5 minutes a day. For over 40 years, Dr. Schwab has been supplying leading spas with premium products. Clinically proven to prevent the signs of premature aging, Dr. Schwab formulations contain certified organic botanicals and natural biopeptides. Does it work? In clinical studies, wrinkles were reduced 68%, collagen increased 117%, and skin moisture improved an incredible 267%. An exclusive 3-stage process repairs damaged skin, maintains a younger appearance, and reverses the signs of aging. You'll see a dramatically more youthful complexion the longer you use it.
I've been using Dr. Schwab's products for over 6 years. I think my skin looks much better now than it did.
I feel like my skin is brighter, like a nice, dewy, young skin.
Sold separately, the Essentials collection is a great value at the regular $180 price, but now you can try it for 30 days for just $39.95. And when you call right now, shipping is free. If it doesn't exceed your expectations, simply return it within 30 days, and Dr. Schwab will give you a full refund. Order in the next 20 minutes, and you'll also receive the Essentials Travel Set, a $19.95 value, free. Yours to keep even if you return the collection. This is a total value of over $200 for just $39.95 in this trial offer. Bring the spa experience home with gentle, all-natural Dr. Schwab. Call or go online now. Shouldn't you have younger-looking skin?
I don't think you can buy a better product than Dr. Schwab.